Eggs play a meaningful and often overlooked role in mood regulation, offering a natural and nutrient-dense way to support emotional balance and mental well-being. The connection between diet and mood is increasingly supported by scientific research, and eggs stand out as a food that provides several key nutrients involved in neurotransmitter synthesis, brain signaling, and nervous system stability. Rather than acting as a stimulant or quick fix, eggs support mood at a foundational level by nourishing the biochemical pathways that influence how the brain regulates emotions, stress, and resilience over time. One of the most important contributors to mood regulation found in eggs is choline, a nutrient essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, attention, and emotional regulation. Acetylcholine plays a role in maintaining calm focus and supporting the brain's ability to process information efficiently, which can help reduce feelings of mental fatigue and emotional overwhelm. Adequate choline intake supports balanced neurotransmitter activity, allowing neural circuits involved in mood and motivation to function smoothly. Since many people fall short of recommended choline intake, eggs provide a practical and highly bioavailable source that can help stabilize mood by supporting consistent neurotransmitter synthesis. B vitamins in eggs further strengthen their mood-supportive effects by contributing directly to the production and regulation of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Vitamins B6, B12, folate, and riboflavin are all involved in metabolic pathways that convert amino acids into these mood-related chemicals. Serotonin, often associated with feelings of well-being and emotional stability, depends on sufficient B vitamin availability for proper synthesis. Dopamine, which influences motivation, pleasure, and reward, also relies on these nutrients to maintain healthy levels. By supplying a broad spectrum of B vitamins, eggs help ensure that the brain has the tools it needs to produce and regulate these neurotransmitters effectively. Eggs also support mood indirectly through their impact on energy metabolism and blood sugar regulation. Stable blood sugar levels are closely tied to emotional stability, as rapid fluctuations in glucose can lead to irritability, anxiety, and fatigue. The combination of high-quality protein and healthy fats in eggs slows digestion and promotes sustained energy release, reducing the likelihood of sudden mood swings caused by energy crashes. This steady fuel supply helps the brain maintain consistent function throughout the day, supporting emotional balance and mental clarity. In addition to choline and B vitamins, eggs provide essential amino acids that serve as the building blocks for neurotransmitters. Tryptophan, for example, is an amino acid involved in serotonin production, while tyrosine contributes to dopamine synthesis. Although eggs are not the sole source of these amino acids, their complete protein profile ensures that the body receives a balanced supply, supporting the full spectrum of neurotransmitter pathways. This balanced amino acid intake is particularly important during periods of stress, when the demand for neurotransmitter production increases and nutritional gaps can more easily affect mood. Eggs also contain nutrients that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, both of which are increasingly linked to mood disorders and emotional dysregulation. Chronic low-grade inflammation can interfere with neurotransmitter signaling and brain plasticity, contributing to feelings of low mood or mental fatigue. Antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, found in egg yolks, help protect brain cells from oxidative damage, supporting healthier neural communication. By reducing these underlying stressors, eggs contribute to a more stable internal environment that supports positive mood regulation. The practicality and accessibility of eggs further enhance their value for emotional well-being. Because they are easy to prepare, affordable, and widely available, eggs can be consistently included in meals without adding stress or complexity to daily routines. Regular intake is key when it comes to mood-supportive nutrition, as neurotransmitter synthesis depends on ongoing nutrient availability rather than occasional intake. Including eggs at breakfast or as part of balanced meals throughout the day can help establish a nutritional foundation that supports emotional resilience and mental stability. Over the long term, eggs contribute to mood regulation by supporting overall brain health and nervous system function. Nutrients such as vitamin B12 and choline are essential for maintaining the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers and ensures efficient signal transmission. Healthy neural communication is fundamental to emotional regulation, stress response, and cognitive flexibility. By supporting these structural aspects of brain health, eggs help the brain respond more adaptively to emotional challenges and environmental stressors. In conclusion, eggs offer a holistic and positively impactful approach to supporting mood regulation through nutrition. Their rich supply of choline, B vitamins, complete protein, and antioxidant compounds works together to support neurotransmitter synthesis, stabilize energy levels, and protect brain function. Rather than acting as a short-term mood booster, eggs nourish the underlying systems that govern emotional balance, making them a valuable and sustainable addition to a mood-supportive diet. Regularly including eggs in meals can help promote steadier moods, improved emotional resilience, and a greater sense of mental well-being, demonstrating that simple, whole foods can play a powerful role in supporting psychological health over time.